Find or read reviews that people are talking about SDFM electric air duster, 3-gear adjustable 130,000 RPM jet blower, good replace compressed air can. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Turbo electric air duster. The air duster has a maximum speed of 130,000 RPM motor, delivering strong performance with a peak wind speed exceeding 52 meter per second, super typhoon over or equals 51.0 meter per second. Can easily clear the dirt hidden in various gaps on the keyboard or any electronic devices, extremely convenient to use in the home, office, or car duster. Perfect electric air duster. 3-gear adjustable airflow settings, allows you to customize the airflow for different cleaning needs. Provides efficient cleaning. Built-in large capacity battery. Battery is equipped with temperature protection, current protection, and short circuit protection, which can run continuously for up to 4 hours, Gear 1. And support 20-watt fast charging. High material. The cordless air duster is made of high hardness and high temperature resistant materials, with perfect texture, strong explosive power and low heat generation, is easy to carry, lightweight, and comfortable to grip, ensuring a more convenient and long-lasting user experience. Alternative to compressed air. Compared with compressed air can, our cordless air blower can be recharged and used repeatedly, no liquid or ice formation occurs during cleaning. It protects your electronics from liquids, so air dusters is eco-friendly and energy efficient. Multi-use. The electric air blower is perfect to clean computer keyboard, laptop, camera, car seat, and blinds and more. Can even be used in products that need to be inflated, such as inflatable beds, lifeboats, and others. And be used for picnics and making fires, cleaning the ground, and cleaning pet hair. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.